Welcome everybody back to the fort, and today is August 25th, and of course we have an update here at the fort. Last time we were here for the final day of the horse Tricircle D being open to the public, and now this is what has happened. All closed off. Yep. Let me see if I could peek under here. Oh. All the pony things are still there, but they got the big equipment ready. Oh, they started tearing stuff down. So you can see a little demolition going on. I'd like to have those poles. I think they would look awesome in our empty lot. Maybe we can make our own little corral. Of course, we live in the city, so we wouldn't be able to have horses or anything. But here's the update for August 25th, 2019. Well, at least they made the fence look kind of pretty. By the way, we have also noticed that they have let this butterfly conservation area back here by the concierge and the hoop-de-doo grow. Before it was very nicely manicured, but actually I like this where they let it get overgrown. Looks nice. Probably attract more butterflies. So that is the hoop-de-doo, just so you can get that's the concierge. That's where you were able to get to the barns and the ponies before. So that's what it looks like now. Hopefully they'll keep those big trees. Okay, and no changes here at Clementine's Beach other than the stakes that were in the ground before. The markers are now gone. But it's a beautiful day on Clementine's Beach. We will continue to show you guys all of this until the day that it's closed off to us.